So what happens if your iPhone says that it's unable to process your request? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future, right? So there might be more reasons why it is happening. Usually it has happened to me in the past when I was signing into my Apple account on the iPhone, right? And I just got the message that it's just simply unable to process the request, and there are more reasons. As I said, first of all, check the internet connection and all of that, but what was the issue for me was the system outage of the Apple accounts, right? So if you go to the Apple support page, which is the system status page, you'll be able to see the Apple services and whether or not they are currently available. And it is possible that something is simply not in here. So usually you see those like green dots that everything is running smoothly and everything's working fine. But you can see that you might have the Apple account currently unavailable. And this could cause the issue. Also, you need to check out your software update. As with a lot of these things, the software update might solve a lot of these issues. So it's kind of important to have that set up properly as well. So in the settings, general, and a software update, you can find the, of course, software update and install the latest one, and perhaps it will help you out as well. So let me know if you managed to resolve the issue. To be honest, in most cases, you just need to wait it out a little bit, right? But if none of these things just work, then you'll probably need to get in touch with the Apple support. So let me know what's really going on with your case and situation down below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one. Stay tuned, and I'll see you then.